Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Tornado Cash. In this video, we will take a look at this harmonic bullish reversal setup that I also shared with you in my last video with you, and the price line has reached the sell targets that I shared with you in my last video. And we will also take a look at this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and the price line has broken out the resistance of this smaller inverse head and shoulder pattern and also broke out the resistance of the bigger inverse head and shoulder pattern as well, and also broke out a very significant resistance of $47. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to share with you this very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that basically I shared for my members at the Patreon on 15th of January 2022, and when the price line entered the buying zone and we were almost very close to the end of the buying zone. It was at $35 right at that time, and the sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence were from $63.28 and goes to $86. Now I'm just going to play the chart. You can see that the price line for a while moved below this potential reversal zone but recovered very well very soon and rallied up to $68.40, and it has reached the sell targets. Now if we take a look at the live, first of all let me just show you the 4-hourly time frame chart. Previously I was telling you that here on the 4-hourly time frame chart we have an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and this was the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern, and the price line has broken out the resistance, and after this rally the price line is having some correction. At the same time, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, we have already broken out the resistance of this down channel when I shared my last video with you. After that, after this retest of the channel, we were gearing up, and the price line was very close to break out the resistance of the bigger inverse head and shoulder pattern. And here we also have the resistance of this $47. That is exactly at the same level where we have this neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern, and you can see that this $47 has been breaking as a very strong support here and here as well. And here back in June 2021 it has been breaking as a resistance here, and we also have a very strong key support at $26.5, and here you can see back in July 2021 it has been breaking as a very strong support, and here it worked as a strong support in January 2022, and in Feb 2022 it has been breaking as a resistance, and now it worked as a support once again at the end of Feb, and at the same time it was also testing the previous resistance of the channel as a support. This is a very important move and very bullish move that price line has started right now, that it has also broken out this $47 resistance and the resistance of this bigger inverse head and shoulder pattern. Now if we again take a look at the target for this bigger inverse head and shoulder pattern, and if I place this trend line here at the breakout point, then our target for this head and shoulder pattern will be I'm just going to have some conservative target, just excluding some spikes, and place it here. That will be approximately $115. And if we take a look at the target for this channel, that will be approximately there, approximately $100, because that is the top of this channel. Right now we are testing the previous resistance of the channel as a support, slightly moved down than $47. If this test will be successful, then after this test the price line can start a big move from here. However, we have also found another rejection line as well. You can see that we have rejection here, we have rejection here, and we have a rejection here as well, and we are also having a support as well here, and this can be also another formation of the rising wedge or an up channel. I'm expecting a rising wedge pattern. So if the price line moves down to the support and it crosses down this $47, then it can test the support here somewhere $36. However, if we will have a reversal move, then we will have again this uptrend line resistance approximately at $75. So next few hours are really very important for Tornado Cash. It is testing the previous resistance of $47 and also the resistance of the neckline of head and shoulder pattern as well. If the Bitcoin starts a short reversal, Tornado Cash can even break out this uptrend line resistance as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.